S&C manufactures equipment for the electrical grid. We make everything from fuses and switches to cutting-edge smart grid technology. Assemblers work on everything from really delicate wiring to huge metal enclosed switchgear boxes and everything in between. We have a wide range of assembly roles available. If you have basic tool handling skills, you can start here as an entry-level assembler, and S&C will teach you everything else you need to know.
I started at the mini Ruptor line and they taught me everything. They do a really good job at providing the background that you need to succeed in your job.
If you have assembly experience, for example in wiring, our low voltage enclosure line would be a great fit. And we're always looking for advanced assembly skills. We have opportunities for every skill level. The shift hours and overtime requirements differ from one department to the next. We work at least 8-hour shifts, but there's opportunities for overtime depending on your team's needs.
We do a couple breaks a day where we do warm-ups, our biokinetics to make sure that we're not going to get injured.
S&C is an employee-owned company. That means we all rely on each other to be here every day, be on time, and look out for one another.
The physical demands for the job, number one is probably just standing, because we are aligned, so you're doing lots of work all day.
Bending, twisting, and lifting. Be able to lift a certain amount of pounds. You have to do it sometimes fast.
Really, if you could be on your feet all day, then you could do the job.
Safety is the #1 priority here at S&C. It's everyone's responsibility, and we all take it very seriously.
Any station that involves any kind of lifting has a device for doing that kind of lifting.
We have our steel toes, we have our glasses, and in this line we have our bump caps.
My favorite thing about S&C is the environment, the people, real friendly, easygoing.
You get to know a lot of people from different backgrounds. Sometimes they become like your family.
In a manufacturing environment, there's a lot going on around you. So as a team, we depend on each other to ensure each line is moving forward safely.
But overall, it's pretty upbeat. Everybody's happy, everybody's working hard.
The work we do every day helps keep the power on all over the world.
It's really fun to work here. When I first started, I was very shy. I wasn't talking to anyone, and now I know people all around the company, different departments, different buildings, and it's fun.